Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing Slack versus Microsoft Teams in 2025, two of the biggest collaboration tools for businesses. Whether you are running a startup or managing a large enterprise, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in productivity. So let's break it down and figure out which one be best for your business. Ease of use and interface. Slack is well known for its clean and intuitive interface. It is simple to set up, easy to onboard new team members, and has a very chat first design. It feels more like messaging than traditional enterprise software. On the other hand, Microsoft Teams integrates deeply into Microsoft 365 ecosystem. If your team already uses Outlook, Word, Excel, and SharePoint, then Teams feels natural. However, the interface can feel a bit cluttered and complex compared to Slack, especially for smaller teams. Features and integrations. Slack shines with its third party integrations in 2025. It supports over 2,600 apps from Google Drive to Trello, Asana, and Zoom. It's extremely customizable with workflows and bots. Microsoft Teams, while it has fewer third party integrations, is a powerhouse when it comes to native Microsoft apps. You can co edit Word or Excel files directly inside Teams, run meetings seamlessly in Outlook, and use Copilot AI for meeting summaries and productivity boost. If you rely heavily on Microsoft products, Teams feels like an all in one hub. But if your business uses a mix of tools, Slack might give you more flexibility. Collaboration and communication. Slack is fantastic for real time chat with the channels that keep discussions organized and searchable. Slack huddles now support video, screen sharing, and live collaboration, making it easier for small teams to connect quickly. Teams, meanwhile, has a strong edge in video conferencing and larger meetings. It is designed to replace Zoom or Google Meet with support for large webinars, recordings, breakout rooms, and AI transcription. For hybrid or remote teams that do a lot of meetings, Teams definitely comes out ahead. Pricing. Slack has a free plan, but it is limited in message history and integrations. Paid plans start around $8 per user per month. Microsoft Teams offers a free version too. The most businesses bundle it with Microsoft 365, which starts at about $6 per user per month, including Word, Excel, Outlook, and cloud storage. So if you are already paying for Microsoft 365, Teams become very cost effective. Pros and cons. Slack pros. Simple, great third party integrations, lightweight and user friendly. Slack cons can get expensive as your team grows, weaker in video conferencing. Teams pros. Deep Microsoft 365 integration, powerful for meetings, strong AI features. Teams cons can feel bulky, less flexible if you do not use Microsoft apps. Conclusion. So now you may ask yourself which one is best for your business in 2025. If you want a lightweight, flexible chat tool with tons of integrations, Slack is the better choice. But if your business already runs on Microsoft 365 and you need strong video meeting features, Teams is hard to beat. And at the end of the video, the best tool depends on your workflow and the software your team already uses. And that's all for today's comparison. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.